There's never been a better time to buy a TV. The industry has worked most of the bugs out of LCD and OLED TVs, and today's prices are lower than ever. In fact, high-end 4K models cost about half of what they did last year. Sony is one of the most trusted brands in electronics, so it's no surprise that their TVs are some of the best on the market. The Sony X750H 75-inch is a decent budget 4K TV. It's a significant shift from its predecessor, the Sony X750F, as it has a VA panel this time around to provide a significantly better darkroom viewing experience. Its response time is decent and input lag is low. However, the refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz, and it doesn't support variable refresh rate technology to reduce screen tearing. Unfortunately, its narrow viewing angles make it less ideal for wide seating areas, and some screen uniformity issues can be distracting. It gets reasonably bright to fight glare, but not bright enough to make highlights pop in HDR content. On the upside, its Android TV interface is easy to use, has tons of apps, and voice control through Google Assistant. So, grab this Sony Smart TV for yourself and your family for daily entertainment and family time. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link given on the description.